This is a serious question. Okay, this is from Meg E on Facebook. This is a serious question. Not just a frivolous question. This is serious. Is there a difference between tomato puree and tomato sauce?
Well, first of all, it's tomato puree.
Is there a difference between tomato puree and tomato sauce?
Between tomato puree.
Is there a difference between tomato puree and puree?
And tomato passata. Tomato passata is made from fresh, ripe tomatoes that are ground and put into a bottle. Tomato sauce, in America at least, tomato sauce refers to a product that sometimes has sugar added to it. It's very smooth and sweet. Just tomato puree is just that. It's cooked product that's just pureed tomato. So tomato puree is the thin version of canned whole or crushed tomatoes. Passata is made from raw ripe tomatoes versus cooked. And sauce usually connotes it's a sweeter product. Like, people would buy tomato sauce a lot for sloppy joes, for instance, that kind of thing. But really, it's about the brands you like and reading your label and just picking a product that you enjoy the flavor of and that matches your diet. And if you're looking to have no added sugar, just be careful of that. With some tomato products, there is. So, buyer, just be aware. That's all.
This is from KHAR188 on Instagram. For me, John, we've heard you talk about your boat. When did you learn to drive one?
Long time ago.
Yeah, the boat has a throttle. It's got a steering wheel. It's got another lever over here that's forward, backwards, and neutral. And then it's got a horn. So I can be like, move, get out of the way, because it doesn't have brakes.
You're so dramatic. He's a very safe driver. He does, when he gets into the middle of the lake, he does little figure eights and stuff for me if there's no one around. We have an older Hacker Craft, which is a wooden boat that's made here on Lake George in the Adirondack region. And it does not back up, basically. So John has become quite good at maneuvering a boat that can't really back up too well when he's docking. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you got to kind of just go in reverse and then into neutral and drift, and then back into reverse and then neutral and drift, and kind of
okay. It's an hour-long show, babe.
This is from Heidi K on Facebook. John, tell us more about your boat driving. No, I'm just kidding. Have you and John ever gone foraging for mushrooms like morels, chicken of the woods, chanterelles, etc.? You may have gone without me, and I'm unaware of it, but I have never foraged for anything.
John doesn't enjoy the foraging.
I garden. I like gardening.
John does like gardening, but just wandering around in the woods. Like, John likes to be in control of the plants around him.
I want to know where the plants are, and then I can find them.
And my husband is hypochondriacal. There is no way he would trust anything that I foraged in the woods and brought back here.
Yeah. I don't want to pick the wrong mushroom and then we'll get poisoned or something.
We have lovely friends and purveyors that send us ready to use.
We don't have the mushroom foraging skill set.
I would, by the way. But John is an excellent gardener, I have to point out. And that was one of the many reasons I fell in love with him. He had a little rooftop garden, and I thought, that's adorable. He has like a 2-room apartment, and yet he has all of these beautiful tomatoes and basil and some lovely prezzemolo, some parsley. That's my guy. We love hearing from you guys. Keep asking us anything, literally. We love sharing our time with you. We hope you had fun in our show.